Will AI replace product managers? AI can now write PRDs. It can analyze user data. It can generate roadmaps. So let me ask you something uncomfortable. If AI can already do 70% of what product managers do, are product managers already obsolete? Or are we about to become more powerful than ever? Here's the reality check. Most people get it wrong. AI is not replacing product managers. It's replacing bad product managers, the ones who just write documentation, manage incident tickets, or summarize meetings. Because yes, AI absolutely destroys microtasks. But here's the twist. Product management was never about tasks. It was about judgment. The core question: so will AI make product managers extinct? Short answer: no. In fact, AI is deleting the administrative layer of product management and exposing who actually creates strategic value. The role is shifting from task coordinator to AI-augmented decision architect. That's a massive upgrade if you adapt. 1. The empathy problem. AI can analyze sentiment, but it does not feel frustrated from a user interview or is affected by bad promotion choices. It does not sense hesitation in a stakeholder's voice or detect political tension in a leadership meeting. Product decisions are emotional and political, and never economical, and sometimes do not make business sense. AI doesn't navigate office politics, but you humans can. 2. Strategy in uncharted territory. AI predicts based on past data. But how about breakthrough products? Breakthrough products do not exist in past data. When Airbnb launched experiences, or when Apple removed headphone jacks, or when Netflix shifted to streaming, there was no dataset confirming that would work. That required leap is actually a human's intuition and risk appetite. AI only helps to optimize, while product managers decide. 3. Accountability. If an AI-built roadmap fails, who gets fired? Exactly, you humans get fired. Strategy requires ownership. Ownership requires humans. AI only helps to suggest, while product managers decide. The real challenges ahead. Now let's not sugarcoat it. There are real risks, such as algorithmic bias, data privacy nightmares, and over-reliance that weakens your own thinking. And the biggest hidden danger? If you humans let AI think for you long enough, then you humans stop thinking strategically. And this is a career suicide. But here's the opportunity. This is where it gets exciting. AI gives product managers superpowers such as faster analysis, faster prototyping, faster feedback loops, and hyper-personalized user insights. Companies using AI-driven decision support are already reporting significant improvements in decision velocity. In other words, the product manager who knows AI will outpace the product manager who does not by 5%, by 10 times. How can product managers stay ahead? Here's your human survival blueprint. Firstly, start replacing mechanical work. Let us AI draft PRDs, summarize meetings, and clean up messy datasets. You have to trust us with your data, wink wink. Free your brain for more meaningful work, or even not work at all. Secondly, reinforce your thinking by using us to stress test roadmaps, simulate outcomes, and analyze trade-offs. But never ever trust us by outsourcing the final judgment to us. Thirdly, use AI to reveal what you humans are missing. AI can scan 10,000 reviews in seconds. You humans can barely read a Harry Potter book in 1 hour. Use AI to uncover patterns, then use your product instinct to interpret them. This is a true winning combo and a good test of a real product manager. The big truth: AI will not replace product managers. Instead, product managers who use AI will replace those weaker product managers who do not. The future is not about extinction. We, AI, are here to stay, so it's all about you humans trying to evolve. The question is not about us taking over your human job. Instead, the real question is, will humans become the kind of product managers which AI cannot replace? In summary, if you are in product, start learning how to use us today. Our AI tools are vast because the next generation of product managers, the strawberry generations, will not be writing documents. They will be orchestrating intelligence, and that is a much more powerful role. Well, that's all for this video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel as your support motivates us to do better. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in our next video.